Setting up a Hisense Google TV the right way from the start can help you avoid Wi-Fi, remote, and account problems later. In this video, I will show you how to complete the first-time setup of your Hisense Google TV, including Wi-Fi, Google account, remote pairing, Google Assistant, Google Home, and common setup problems. Keep in mind that some menu names may look slightly different depending on your TV model and software version. First, connect your Hisense TV to power and turn it on using the remote. Select your language and region, then choose between Setup Google TV and Basic TV. Choose Google TV if you want apps, Google Assistant, personalized recommendations, and other smart features. Basic TV gives you a simpler setup for live TV, external inputs, and limited built-in apps, but without most Google Smart features. Next, choose how you want to set up the TV. You can continue directly on the TV or use your smartphone. If you use your phone, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, scan the QR code shown on the TV, and follow the instructions. Now connect the TV to your home Wi-Fi network and enter the password. If it does not connect, make sure Wi-Fi is turned on, check that you selected the correct network and Wi-Fi band, then restart the TV and try again. If the network shows as saved but does not connect, repeat these checks. Once connected, let the TV check for updates. Allow any available update to download and install, and do not unplug the TV during this process. You can also check later through Settings, System, About, and System Update. After that, sign in with your Google account, accept Google's terms, choose your location and data sharing preferences, and follow the prompts to set up Google Assistant. When prompted to pair the remote, keep it close to the TV and hold the back and home buttons together for several seconds. If pairing fails, remove and reinsert the batteries or replace them, then try again. Now accept the Hisense terms. If your model supports it, choose whether you want Google Assistant available while the TV screen is off. Continue through the AirPlay and optional profile prompts, then wait for the Google TV home screen. If you want to connect the TV to Google Home, go to Profile, Manage Accounts, Google Home, and add this TV to Google Home, if available. You can also add it through the Google Home app. If the TV does not appear, make sure your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Finally, if setup freezes or the TV stops responding, restart the TV and check for system updates. Use a factory reset only as the final option because it will erase your accounts, apps, and settings. That's it for this video on how to set up your Hisense Google TV. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.